Maintain a clear 1-inch space at the sides and back of a dryer to reduce fire risk and allow proper airflow. Most residential dryer manufacturers specify a 1-inch minimum clearance to combustibles at the sides and back of the appliance, and this is a practical thumb rule for typical house construction when local codes are not more restrictive. Position the dryer so the exhaust duct runs straight and short to the exterior to minimize lint buildup and back pressure, and always use rigid metal ducting when possible because flexible foil or plastic ducts trap lint and increase ignition risk. Empty and clean the lint trap after every load and inspect the trap housing with a flashlight monthly, removing any accumulated lint by hand or with a vacuum hose attachment. Schedule a duct and vent termination cleaning at least once a year, or sooner if you notice longer drying times, a burning smell, or excessive lint around the vent hood. Keep the immediate area free of stored combustibles such as cleaning chemicals, paint cans, paper, cardboard, and clothing. If you must store laundry supplies nearby, place them in sealed metal containers and keep them on a shelf above the dryer and out of the direct clearance zone. Confirm the dryer installation manual and local building code requirements before final placement because some installations, vent types, or fuel sources may require greater clearances or additional measures like a fire barrier. A common mistake is assuming the 1-inch rule applies to all installations, and the fix is to check the appliance manual and local code for specific clearances and combustion air needs. Another frequent issue is using flexible plastic or foil ducting, which traps lint and can ignite. Replace that with smooth interior, rigid metal ducting, and minimize bends to improve airflow. People often store flammable liquids or lots of paper in the laundry area, so move those items away and use sealed containers or relocate them to a different room to eliminate ignition sources. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to find work related to home safety projects like dryer, venting, and clearances. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share real-world tips, installation experiences, and product recommendations.